the HP Pro Mini 400 packs commercial-grade performance into a tiny package that can fit anywhere. Imagine being able to work from any room, office, or even coffee shop without having to worry about your workspace taking up too much space. That's what this mini desktop computer is all about, giving you the freedom to create and get things done on your own terms. It's perfect for freelancers, remote workers, or anyone who wants a reliable and powerful machine that won't break the bank. So, let's dive into what makes this HP Pro Mini 400 so special. First up, we've got the processor, a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500T that's powered by a whopping 18 megabytes of cache memory. What does that mean for you? It means you'll have lightning-fast performance and reliability, even when handling multiple tasks at once. Whether you're editing videos, running simulations, or crunching numbers, this processor has got your back. But it's not just about raw power. The HP Pro Mini 400 also comes with a healthy dose of security features. With Windows 11 Professional installed, you'll have all the tools you need to keep your data safe and secure. Plus, with Intel Q670 chipsets integrated into the system, you can trust that this mini desktop is built for business. Now, let's talk about storage and memory. The HP Pro Mini 400 comes equipped with a whopping 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. That's plenty of space to store all your files, programs, and operating system, and with the fast storage, you can boot up in no time. One of the coolest features of this mini desktop is its wireless connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth combo, you'll be able to stay connected to the cloud or collaborate with colleagues from anywhere in the room. It's perfect for teams who need to work together seamlessly, without having to worry about tangled cables. But what really sets this HP Pro Mini 400 apart is its flexibility. With a VESA mount included, you can attach it to walls, under desks, or even behind a monitor, giving you the ultimate flexibility when it comes to setting up your workspace. Whether you're working from home or on the go, this mini desktop can adapt to any situation. So there you have it, the HP Pro Mini 400 is a powerhouse of a machine that's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. With commercial-grade performance, security, and flexibility, it's the perfect solution for anyone who wants a reliable and powerful machine that won't break the bank. Check out the link below to get yours today.